I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you question from previous test paper. Now this is a very important question which has been selected from previous IB test paper. The question here is, a restaurant offers a choice of 10 soups on a menu. If a party of 5 arrives at the restaurant for dinner and choose his or her soup at random, what is the probability that 2 or more people will choose the same soup? You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Now in this question, we are given choice of 10 soups and party of 5. Right? So these are the 5 persons who arrive, and we want to know what is the probability that 2 or more people will choose the same soup. Now the idea here is, let's first find that all choose different soup. And then we can have a complement of that to get the probability of choosing 2 or more people choosing the same soup, right? So first let us find probability of all choose different soup, right? So that is what we are going to find first. Now since there are 10 choices, the first person has a choice of 10 out of 10, right? So all 10 are available for the first person. For the second person, there's a choice of 9 since 1 has been taken, and then 8, 7, and then 6, right? Now all are choosing from 10 possible items in the menu, right? So therefore, the probability of all having different soup will be equal to, right, 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 divided by 10 to the power of 5, correct? So that's the probability. Now the question is, what is the probability that 2 or more people will choose the same soup, right? So the probability of complement of this, right? So probability of 2 or more choose same soup should be 1 minus this amount, right? So 1 minus probability of all having different soups, right? So that is the concept here. So let's figure it out. So it is 1 minus 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 divided by 10 to the power of 5. Okay? So let's find this answer. So what we have here is, let's first calculate that figure. 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 divided by 10 to the power of 5 gives us, this number is 189 over 625 in simplified form, right? So this number here is 1 minus 189 over 625, right? So it is 1 minus the answer, and it is equal to 436 divided by 625. You can write it in decimals if you want, which is 0.6976. So it is almost 70% probability that all will choose, it's 70% possible that 2 or more will choose the same soup, right? So almost 70%. So that is how you can solve such a question. I hope the concept is clear. So the answer here is that almost, right? 70%, right, will choose the same soup is the answer for this particular question. 69.2 0.6976 gives you 69.76%, right? So that's fairly high percentage. I'm Anil Kumar. I hope you understand how we applied the complement of the probability to find the answer. You can always share and subscribe my videos to learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.